guys, what I did tonight was fixed an issue with the overhead lighting in my cabin up there. I do believe all the 390 guys have the same lights up there. I had these 10-watt chips on there that were small, threw a lot of heat, and kept killing themselves. So what I did was I replaced the little guys with 10-watt chip-on boards that are just larger and have a thicker heatsink on them. I used the same exact drivers, so I know the drivers weren't the problem, but they throw a lot of light. And that's 20 watts chip-on board. We're still a mess. I just wanted to do a quick little update with kind of what I'm up to. This little project, I had to use basically everything. The drill bits, my screw kit, my LED kit, everything came out. The soldering iron, I mean, it's all here. Every single tool came out tonight. We're still on land. Today is April 15th. I have about a month until I launch, and there's a lot to do. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
You want this squared out down here, Kip?
You know what? Line that up with the edge, Randy. Just make sure it's not proud at all. If anything, I want a little bit of plywood sticking out, just by 16th or something.
What, over a little bit?
I want the plywood sticking out at 16th. Roughly, just a little bit underneath that.
Alright, I need my fucking earplugs.
Avocados from Mexico, guys.
Thank goodness. Delicious on everything and always in season. So, how was your trip?
Worth it. Avocados from Mexico. Would be great. Looks good, man, from here.
Oh yeah.
Save all your cuss words for this one. You're going to need it.
We're experts.
Thank you.